patty.
So Patrick trying a patty for the first time.
Pat and a patty.
Alright, so hold on. Crumbs get everywhere with the patty, and we don't want to clean the car after, because we have to get that clean. So open the bag a little wider, and you have to tear it. So when you're eating it, the crumbs get in the bag.
Flaky,
You don't
buttery, not quite at the filling yet. It's like beef stew. And the inside. No?
That's it. What's the rating? Oh shit.
It's the first one. And with cheese it could be bomb. And we're gonna try others.
When we're hungry, we're going to try all of them.
Exactly. So, because this is the first one, I don't think I can give it a 10. I have to give it a 9 out of 10.
Okay.
Yeah, enough crumbs? You did too. This is bomb though. It's amazing. This is just a pineapple lemonade.
A what?
Pineapple soda. Don't know how I feel about that.
Absolutely yum. What the fuck? What do you mean you don't know how you feel about that? Oh, that was amazing.
Oh my. More of a fan of champagne cola.
Cola champagne.
Cola champagne.
Very cool. Yum pineapple. Big up yourself, DNG. Tastes good anytime. Anyway, you're there.
I wanted to argue because they Americanized our Jamaican beef patty, but it tastes good. It have cheese on it. I like a patty burger. Patty burger. Babe, you want to try this? Don't take a big bite, little bite. It's like a patty burger. Ain't it different?
Yeah, not bad.
Right here, guys. Chopped cheese. Chopped cheese.